Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Sony NFC headphones to an iPhone. While your Sony headphones feature NFC, iPhones do not utilize NFC for headphone pairing. Instead, we will use the standard Bluetooth connection method. This process is straightforward and ensures a stable audio link between your devices. Let's get started with the first step. First, let's get your Sony headphones ready for pairing. Locate the power button, usually on one of the ear cups. Press and hold this button for approximately 7 seconds. You will notice the indicator light begin to flash alternately in blue and red. This distinct pattern confirms your headphones are now in Bluetooth pairing mode, actively searching for a device. Now, grab your iPhone and open the Settings application. Scroll down and tap on the Bluetooth option. Make sure the Bluetooth toggle is switched to the on position. Your iPhone will then begin searching for nearby devices. Look for your Sony headphones in the Other Devices list and tap on their name to establish the connection. It should connect in just a few seconds. If you encounter any issues, first ensure your headphones are fully charged. Sometimes, a low battery can prevent successful pairing. You can also try forgetting previous Bluetooth connections on your iPhone. If problems persist, a simple restart of both your iPhone and your Sony headphones often resolves minor glitches. Always consult your headphones user manual for model-specific instructions.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.